have this old 80s vintage Mastercut. I think Mastercut was an MTD brand. It's not in bad shape. Could use some wheels though. See if we can get this to run. Tecumseh 3.5. It's a TVS 90. Serial starts with 8, so I'm guessing it's from 88. Check that air cleaner. And there's fuel down in there. I put a little gas in. I tried to pull this starter, and it's actually the gas come out the muffler. So we're going to do some carburetor work. Here's a typical case. I'm going to actually quick run this in the wire wheel. Found our metering jet. Gas goes through that hole, and that one, so we got to make sure they're open. Shaking the float around, I don't hear anything inside. So I think this was actually just kind of stuck to the bottom with that old gas. It wasn't able to raise and let the fuel valve close. I think we'll have a working carburetor. Not doing anything crazy here. These are pretty old parts, so see what we got. It's always a good practice before you do start them. Get a pliers. Try to get that throttle make sure it's not stuck. For the sake of the video, I took the air cleaner off so you could see leakage better. And I'm just working this. And now it's very free. We're going to be fine. This thing works free, but it's broken in such a way I can't attach it, so we're going to have to do something with this. That should do. Now I just have to make a Z-bend. The governor is actually pretty nice on these Tecumsehs. It's very adjustable. This one is like the idle, the governed idle speed. And this one, harder to see, it's right there. That's your maximum speed adjustment. Have these wheels from a Murray that was rotted. The tread's in better shape. I think this old mower has earned itself a new rope. I think I'll add a handle rope holder.